David organized the heartbeat of the nation, 24 divisions of priests, ready to keep the fire of worship burning through every watch of the night. In the silence of Gibeon, the king of the universe asked a question. Ask for anything. Solomon didn't reach for gold or the heads of his enemies. He reached for the heart to lead. He asked for wisdom because he sought God's perspective first. The world's wealth followed. From the cedars of Lebanon to the gold of Ophir, the finest treasures of the earth were gathered to build a footstool for the Most High. 7 years of sacred labor. Without the sound of a hammer on site, the masterpiece rose in holy silence. White marble and pure gold meeting to create a place where heaven would touch the earth. Before a sea of people, Solomon knelt. His prayer pierced the heavens, acknowledging that while no building can contain the Creator, he chooses to put his name in the midst of his people. The prayer ended, and the fire fell. A glory cloud so thick the priests could not even stand. The king had moved inland. The house was no longer just a building. It was a dwelling place,